What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today I'm coming at y'all with another hat unboxing, or Hat Club unboxing I should say. Y'all have really been enjoying the hat content, so if you want me to keep it going, keep it rolling, because I'm definitely picking up more hats, then make sure y'all show this video some love. And also, I know y'all be out there picking up the Hat Club heat. They drop new hats like every week, multiple times a week, so make sure y'all use my link. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Today's hat is a little bit different. Y'all know the Yankees is my first choice. If I'm buying a fitted, the Yankees is always my first choice. It's my city, it's my hometown, so why not go with the Yankees? After that, I would probably go with the Dodgers, but today I'm switching it up a little bit and I'm adding another team into the mix. It was the colorway. The colorway is what did it for me, so let me go ahead and show y'all what I picked up. It is this Mariners hat that I got from the Hat Club Black Dome collection. Hat Club, I'm telling y'all, they drop heat every week. It never fails. There's at least one hat that I want every week. They're killing my pockets right now. If you're a hat collector or you're just getting into hats, then you already know exactly what I mean. Let me put this box to the side so y'all can get a better look at this Black Dome Seattle Mariners hat. Normally when you see Seattle hats, they have like this compass on the S. It's like a baseball compass. It could be a star, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a compass because normally they're like sea and nautical themed because it's a Seattle based team, so it just makes sense. But on this one, you just have the S and it's in this royal blue or like team blue and yellow. I really like that. It reminds me of like a Laney Jordan colorway. If you're not familiar with the Laney Jordan, it's a very popular colorway, one of my personal favorites. So I had to pick this up because it is a perfect match for that. Size 7 1/8 because it is for the personal. I don't sell any of my hats. And on the side here, we have this 40th anniversary patch. So it says 1977 to 2017. I'll make sure I give y'all a better look in the B-roll, but I really like that patch. Like, it has the really nice skyline, the Seattle skyline, some clouds behind it, and it's still within that blue and yellow colorway, just like the S on the front. So I really like it. Also, that compass, the baseball compass I was talking about earlier, that's actually inside the 0 for the 40. So I'm digging that patch. I think it's really dope. The details in there. Blue and yellow batting man on the back, black button on the top, white sweatband. I know we talked about that briefly in the last video I did for this hat right here. White sweatbands are hard to keep clean, but if you do keep it clean, it is a pretty nice throwback, crisp look to it. Kelly green bottom. I'm really digging that, especially with, you know, that blacked out cap, because without those hits of colors, you would just have a black Seattle cap. So I really like the way that they did the colors. The Kelly green bottom was a good choice. Y'all can see I already started curving the brim on this one just so I could give y'all a quick look of what it actually looks like on. Obviously it doesn't match today's fit, but I'll probably smooth out the brim a little bit more, and I'm digging it. I really like the colorway. Like I said, that's what caught my eye. That's why I picked it up. Before I forget, when you purchase a hat from Hat Club, you do get a pin, and this one right here is just their standard Hat Club exclusive pin in that bronze finish. I'll give y'all a close-up of that as well so y'all can see what it's looking like. Make sure y'all follow Hat Club on Instagram, and if you pick up any Hat Club heat, use my link down below in the description. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.